Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to download and install Google Chrome browser on Mac computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To download and install Google Chrome on Mac computer, open Safari. In search of your Safari, type Google Chrome for Mac. Now hit enter. Then scroll down. Google Chrome for Mac download. Now click on it. Again scroll down. This is Google Chrome for Mac and free download for Mac. Click on free download for Mac. Close this advertisement. Again scroll down and click on free download for Mac. Now Google Chrome is downloading. Download has been finished. Now click here to open it. Now close Safari browser. You will find a folder icon and a Google Chrome icon. Just drag Google Chrome icon to this folder. And now look, Google Chrome application is installing. Applications, Google Chrome is already added. Now close browser. Now close this window. In Spotlight search, type Google Chrome. And now click on Google Chrome. Look, Google Chrome is added in your dock and now it's verifying. A pop-up window has been opened. Google Chrome is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Click on open. Look, Google Chrome is opened in your Mac computer. Now you can customize your Google Chrome browser or you can use your Google Chrome as you wish. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.